Sundaram Clayton Automotive Products Division is a part of the $5 billion TVS Group. The group traces its origin to rural transport service founded by the visionary Sri T.V. Sundaram Iyengar in the year 1911. The TVS Group is India's leading supplier of automotive components and one of the country's most respected business groups. Charting a steady growth path of expansion and diversification, it currently comprises around 30 companies that range from two-wheeler and automotive component manufacturing to automotive dealerships, finance and electronics. Uniting these multiple businesses is a common ethos of building trust, nurturing outstanding values and providing unmatched customer service. Automotive Products Division, known as APD, comprises Sundaram Clayton, Harita Seating Systems, Harita Fera and Sundaram Auto Components. Each company is a leader in its respective category and a preferred supplier to major automotive OEMs and Tier 1s across the world. Sundaram Clayton is a world-class producer of machined aluminium die-cast parts for the automotive industry. Started in 1968 as a captive supplier of die-cast parts for air brake system, SCL has since grown multifold and is a strategic supplier to major OEMs across the world and caters to the commercial vehicle, passenger car and two-wheeler segments. A preferred supplier for leading global and renowned brands like Cummins, Daimler, Volvo, Wabco, ZF, BMW, Ford, Honda, Hyundai, Tata Motors and TVS Motors. With a turnover exceeding $200 million, Sundaram Clayton has 4 manufacturing plants, 3 located in and around Chennai at Padi, Mahindra World City, Oragadam and 1 at Hosur. SCL has an annual installed capacity to produce more than 50,000 tons of precision aluminium die-cast products using high-pressure die casting with wide range of machines from 250 to 3,200 tons, capable of producing critical castings with vacuum and squeeze technology. Gravity die casting of complex shapes produced by tilt pouring. Low-pressure die castings technology for producing critical cylinder head castings. The castings are machined as per customer requirements in a state-of-the-art machine shop. The machining cells are designed based on lean concepts with sub-assembly stations and leak testing facilities. Quality is built in during the process and assured using sophisticated equipments like spectroscope, radiography, thermography, CNC/CMM, laser scanning non-contact measurements and millipore tester. Sundaram Clayton is a total solutions provider for aluminium die-cast parts and has in-house design and engineering center for product and die design with qualified engineers working with Pro-E and CATIA, die edifice software and simulation tools using magma flow analysis. No wonder Sundaram Clayton has won several prestigious awards including the Platinum Award for Manufacturing Excellence from Frost & Sullivan, TPM Excellence Award and numerous customer recognitions for delivery, quality and new product development. Sundaram Clayton, a one-stop shop for all the aluminium die casting requirements.